Can't connect right now issue on YouTube for MyTV. If your MyTV shows a can't connect right now error on YouTube, it may be caused by network issues, app settings, or software glitches. Follow these steps to fix the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Test other apps. Open another app on your MyTV, Netflix or a browser, to ensure your internet is working. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Verify network settings. On your MyTV, go to Settings Network Status to confirm the TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Restart your MyTV. Step 1. Soft restart. Press and hold the power button on your remote, then select Restart from the menu. Step 2. Hard reset. Unplug your MyTV from the power outlet, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Turn the TV back on and try opening YouTube again. 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Step 1. Open app settings. Go to Settings Apps, see All Apps YouTube. Step 2. Clear cache. Select Clear cache to remove temporary files. Step 3. Clear data if needed. If the issue persists, select Clear data to reset the app. You'll need to sign back into YouTube. 4. Update the YouTube app. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your MyTV. Step 2. Search for YouTube in the Play Store. Step 3. If an update is available, install it and relaunch the app. Aindavada update am ID AV software. Step 1. Go to Settings Device Preferences about System Update. Step 2. Check for updates and install any available firmware updates. Step 3. Restart your MyTV after the update. 6. Reinstall the YouTube app. Step 1. Uninstall YouTube. Go to Settings Apps. See All Apps. YouTube uninstall. Step 2. Reinstall the app. Open the Google Play Store on your MyTV, search for YouTube, and reinstall it.